This knife is so sharp, it is almost scary. The company sent it to me to test out, and it is razor sharp. This meat cleaver will cut through meat and bone, the toughest vegetables, coconuts. It is a super solid knife, and it comes really well packaged, so it's not going to get damaged or damage anything else in transit. It comes with foam on both sides, and this thing is solid. I'll show you what it looks like up close. The handle on this thing works really well, and it has really good grip. So even if your hands are a little bit wet, this works really well to have a good grip on that. And you are going to want to hand wash this after every use. You want to wash it right when you're done. Just use warm soapy water and a mild sponge and wash it real good right after, and this will last such a long time. It is so sharp and it works so well. This is a must-have even if you're using it for everyday stuff or every once in a while. This is something to keep in your kitchen.